Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up contacts to Gmail on Samsung A35 5G device. Contacts are valuable personal and professional data. Backing them up to Gmail ensures that you don't lose important contact information in case your phone is lost, damaged, or replaced. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, enter the contact app. And here you can click the three lines. So, select Manage Contact option. Well, and then press Export Contact. So, select Internal Storage. Well, after exporting process finish, open Google app and you can type google.com here. Okay, and here you can click menu icon beside your profile. So, select Contact option. Well, and then click the three lines here. So you can select Import option and select the file. Press Media Picker. So here you have to select the VCF file you have exported before. And your contact is successfully backed up to your Gmail. Well, that's the tutorial on how to back up contacts to Gmail on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.